Hey guys, Learn More channel will surprise you. Don't mind me, just mind information. Hey guys, Learn More channel is here to surprise you. So today, as you see the title, I'm here to talk about automatic dubbing. Why am I talking about it? It's because I'm showing you this right now, how to do it. So make sure you understand where to click, where to go, where to do this. So as you see me talking about this, you have to make sure this video that is showing up right here, right now, is available to you. So make sure you listen until the end to understand why am I talking about automatic dubbing. Automatic dubbing is where you're going to get more viewers. Maybe you have a channel and you're still new, young in it, as I'm growing with you guys. So I decided, because every now and then I'm going down through my thoughts before I upload a video. So I decided to upload this video for you because I want you guys to keep pushing. We don't have money to pay our videos, so we have to try that is free into doing it. So don't mind me, I don't know English, English knows me. Don't mind me, mind information. So you're going to click automatically dubbing every now and then when you upload a video, or you're going to do like this. And then when you upload a video, you have to make sure when you scroll down, because every now and then when you upload a video, you have to upload it to YouTube Studio. So you have to scroll down. If you scroll down, it's going to say show more, and then when you click show more, it's where you're going to see the auto tapping. Or you have to do like this. Check this video right now, zoom the video and take time. Please, firstly, listen to me why I'm talking about automatic dubbing, and then come back to watch this video, because it's two videos at the same time. As a risk taker, Learn More channel is here to surprise you guys. Why automatic dubbing is helpful? It's helpful because when you upload your video in English, it's going to be dubbed into two different languages. Like for people who are from France, from Spain, from Portugal, it's gonna be dubbed and translated to their languages. Then the video they are going to give the people to be happy with their languages. So don't mind me, just mind information, because my camera right now is like slowly. Oh my god. That's why I don't want to show my face, because I keep on laughing, guys. Make sure you click the automatic button of the dubbing button like this. Check this every now and then. Don't make a mistake, and you'll come back and thank me later, because automatic dubbing is helpful. It's going to translate your videos to the language of a person who is watching if it doesn't understand the English, right? I think it's clear. Please subscribe to this channel and check my other videos, and come back to thank me later with a positive comment. Ciao guys, let's grow together.